'Twas a long time ago, longer now than it seems, in a place that perhaps you've seen in your dreams. For the story that you are about to be told began the holiday worlds of old. I know you're curious to see what's inside. It's what happens when two holidays collide. Foolishly glorious sight. It's time for our holiday tale to begin. There's no turning back now. Please, come all the way in.
All the way across the room, make space for those behind you.
Our holiday tale is a tale that's quite charming, but during this season, it's sometimes alarming. So relax and reflect. Feel free to take pause while we tell you a tale about dear Sandy Claus.
Shake your bodies away from the walls and the bed sometimes.
'Twas the nightmare before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads. Jack Skellington came here from Halloween Town. You'll notice his handiwork scattered around. This year he's decided to play Santa Claus. But when Halloween excises, you might see a claws. And now, the dark carriage will take you away. Sit back, rest in peace in a black Christmas sleigh. Your sleigh will accommodate one or two more. We hope you're prepared for what Jack has in store.
everybody for Buggy Watching Steps. Disneyland Resort Wednesday.
Mark says hi.
Oh, I'm gonna say hi too.
Don't fall down. It will float down. Keep it closed for all children. All good girls and boys must set sail to seats. Keep in their sleigh, all hands, arms, legs, or Las otros niños, feliz. Los juntos niños, los niños deben quedarse. The mansion was changed. All was soon covered, adorned, and deranged. And what to your wondering eyes disappears is Jack's little friend Zero, the ghost dog reindeer. Nothing here was forgotten. It all looked so pleasant. A coffin, Jack says, makes a fine Christmas present. A mangy glass makes a wonderful wreath, as long as you don't get caught in its teeth.
On the 13th day of Christmas, my good love gave to me 13 rings of power, embracing strength that never ends. 12 signs of the zodiac that rule the future and transcend. 11 candles floating, their scent of mystery in the air. 10 telling tea leaves that swirl with secrets yet to share. On the 9th day of Christmas, my good love gave to me.
Please remain seated in your black Christmas sleigh. We will continue your holiday tour momentarily.
Please remain seated, keeping hands and arms inside your buggy at all times. Your holiday tour will now continue.
Full of toys, Jack had slung on his back. They were strange and bizarre, and on the attack.
your eyes? I like this Christmas thing. I told
What's this? What's this? Wishing you a scary, scary, scary Christmas. Wishing you a scary, scary, scary Special holiday something just for you. Hang on to your holiday hat. We've got some gifts to garden from ya. So, you found me. Too late now. It's time for your gift. We just love sharing.
Mark says bye!
Okay, thank you. Actually, kind of scared me a little bit.
Thank you, Santa Claus, for bringing your cheer. Please hurry back. I can't wait till next year. I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight.